Hey folks, welcome to Enjoy His Kitchen. This is a home of delicacies, cooking vibes, and kitchen experiences at large. Welcome back again. In today's video, we are making chicken wet stew, and these are the ingredients we will need. We have 1 onion. This is sliced garlic. We have ginger. We have 2 tomatoes. We have oil. We have carrots. We have pepper. We have coriander leaves. We have cinnamon, and we have our chicken. Welcome. And then we add 2 spoonfuls of oil. And then we add our sliced onions, and we cover them to cook for about 1 minute. And now guys, we add our garlic and our ginger, and we stir everything together. And now guys, we put our chicken. This is 1 kg chicken. We add 1 spoonful of salt. And salt. And then we cover to cook for about 10 minutes. Now guys, this is my secret to peel tomatoes. We put them inside in whole, and then we cover for just 1 minute. Now guys, we uncover our chicken, and then we remove our tomatoes. And we peel them. And then we put them back into our chicken. And then we add 1 spoonful of tomato paste. And then we add a pinch of cinnamon. and we add a drizzle of dark soy sauce. Then we give them a good stir. And cover to cook for about 2 minutes. Guys, we uncover, and this is the outcome. And we add our green peppers, and then we add our carrots. We stir everything together. And then cover for just 1 minute.
Let's go.
Now guys, our chicken is ready. And we will put off our feet. This is coriander leaves. We will garnish with coriander. Our chicken today, guys, we will serve with ugali. Now guys, our chicken is ready. We've already served. And did you know that chicken helps in increasing sperm count? Yes, it does. Please consider it in your family diet. Enjoy. Please consider subscribing, comment down below, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.